Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, like Chrome. Now access background apps. In order to do that with tricky navigation, tap on this square button. Now click on the icon of your app, click on split screen, and choose the other one. I will go with Play Store. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!